Are you looking for the best docking station for laptop? Docking stations have evolved from a convenience accessory to a productivity backbone for hybrid and remote workflows. They enable a single cable to deliver power, data, and multiple display outputs, transforming laptops into desktop-like workstations. With USB-C and Thunderbolt-enabled hubs, users expect robust 4K 60Hz video, reliable. Product number 1. 13-in-1 USB-C docking station. Cons. 1. Mac OS users should expect mirror-only or limited extend modes for certain configurations. 2. Actual usable PD headroom for the laptop is about 87W due to dock consumption, which may be tight for demanding configurations. 3. Triple display performance can drop resolutions, HDMI DP, depending on GPU and adapter chain. 4. Relatively lightweight build, about 4.9 ounces, may imply less robust cooling with sustained heavy use. 13-in-1 laptop docking station. Plug and play. With this USB-C hub multiple adapter, you get 2 4K HDMI, DisplayPort, 2 USB-C ports, both support 100-watt power delivery plus 10 gigabits data transfer, USB 3.1, 10 gigabits, 3 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, 3.5mm audio, gigabit Ethernet port. Triple display docking station. This USB-C docking station only Windows systems support MST and SST, mirror and extend mode. HDMI ports support up to 4K at 60 Hz, DP 1.4. Product number 2. Anchor USB-C hub. Cons. 1. The USB-C data port does not support video output, limiting display expansion. 2. HDMI output capped at 4K at 30 Hz, not suitable for high refresh gaming or professional video editing. 3. PD in is only for charging, not data, which may limit some headset or audio devices plugged into the hub. Cons. 1. The USB-C data port does not support video output, limiting display expansion. 2. HDMI output capped at 4K at 30 Hz, not suitable for high refresh gaming or professional video editing. 3. Product number 3. USB-C docking station dual monitor adapter for Dell HP. Cons. 1. VGA can cap total resolution to 1080p when used with other high-res outputs. 2. Mac OS limitations on extended versus mirrored displays may hinder creative workflows. 3. USB 2.0 ports limit modern peripheral speeds. 4. User reports of power negotiation variability depending on host and charger. USB-C docking station 8-in-1. Hodo USB-C docking station with dual HDMI 4K, 1x60Hz and 1x30Hz, 1x4K at 60Hz DisplayPort, 1x1080p VGA, 3x USB 2.0, USB-C power charging port, max 100 watts. Please note, on Mac OS system, the screens of external monitors are the same, no matter they are displayed in mirror mode or extended mode. Docking station 4K display adapter. The laptop docking station with 4 video output ports, 2 HDMI plus DP plus VGA, can output up to 4K dual or triple display. Product number 4. USB-C laptop docking station dual monitor HDMI. Cons. 1. High port count increases potential driver and compatibility complexity. 2. Heat and power negotiation under sustained workloads can cause performance dips. 3. Some users report mixed results on MacBook default display extension modes. 4. Build and weight, approximately 6.4 ounces, may feel less durable for frequent travel. Cons. 1. High port count increases potential driver and compatibility complexity. 2. Heat and power negotiation under sustained workloads can cause performance dips. 3. Some users report mixed results on MacBook default display extension modes. 4. Build and weight, approximately 6.4 ounces, may feel less durable for frequent travel. Product number 5. Dell Pro Dock WD25.
USB Type-C with DP Alt Mode connector. Cons: 1. Premium price at $173.99. 2. Limited user reviews, 58, suggesting consumer feedback is still ramping up. 3. Compatibility nuances may arise with non-Dell PCs or older USB-C implementations. 4. Availability and future firmware updates could affect IT deployment in some environments.